In trying to define data visualization, I consulted some experts to learn more about the field. Here's what they had to say.
Hi everyone, I'm here with Scott Murray. Scott, could you introduce yourself?
Sure. I'm an assistant professor here at the University of San Francisco where I teach in the design program. I teach some of our intro classes, but I also teach interaction design and information visualization, and I'm the author of the book Interactive Data Visualization for the Web, an Introduction to Designing with D3.
So Scott, what is data visualization?
Well, there's obviously a lot of different possible answers to that, but I like to think about data visualization as mapping, not sort of making geographic maps like traditionally how we think about maps, but mapping values to visuals. So I teach a class on information visualization. It's sort of about information broadly, but when we're talking about data visualization, I think of data as being kind of structured information. So if you have a spreadsheet, you have rows and columns, you have sort of information that's not just loosey-goosey, but it's organized in some sort of structured way. So the visualization part is taking that data and figuring out ways to translate that into visuals that are more readily understood. So instead of reading these columns of numbers, we can look at these pictures of bars or lines or shapes or whatever, different colors.
Okay, great. Hi everyone, I'm here with Cole Nussbaumer, who's a blogger with storytelling with data. She's here to share some insights about data visualization and share some tips about how you can get started in the field. So Cole, first tell us, what is data visualization?
So for me, data visualization is about turning numbers into pictures and into stories. There's something about making data visual that allows us to explore and understand the data in a different way. Our visual system is actually really fast at processing information, so good data visualization can lend itself to this sort of aha moment of understanding.
Great.